Hi everyone, how are you guys? So today we are going to introduce you to ourselves, that is UPSC Clarity Hub. Now what is UPSC Clarity Hub? First of all, let's break down the term itself. That is the basic concept, basic theory, basic trick that you can apply to everything in your life. That you, if you don't understand what the statement says, you have to break it down into parts. So similarly, what we are going to do, we are going to break up the name itself, UPSC Clarity Hub, means something is gonna clear. What is gonna clear? Whenever we have some doubts, we have some confusion, only then we need clarity, right? So that is gonna clear here. Hub means the center. Okay, the hub is the center where the doubts, your confusion is getting clear, and the doubts will be related to what? The doubts will be related to UPSC. So that is why we are here, why we are together. This is a totally free initiative, right? Where all your doubts will be cleared. You have to send your doubt at current upsc003@gmail.com, and your doubts will be solved, or you'll get the answers maximum within the 24 hours. Right? Okay. Next is, let's see what are the other features related to this. First of all, the language which will be used for clearing your doubt. In general, the language will be English, but if you want your answer to be in pure English language, you can state that when you are mailing your doubt, right? Next, what is the purpose? We have already got the purpose just by the name itself. That is, we'll be clearing the small doubts, like the people do not know the difference between republic and monarchy. What is the exact meaning of republic? How deep is it? What is constitutionalism? What is constitutional monarchy? Right? The doubt can be related to any subject in UPSC. It can be related to current affairs. It can be related to CSAT. It can be related to your GS paper, both prelims and mains. It can be related to essay. It can be related to ethics. It can be related to your optional subject also, including the engineering optionals. Right? All your doubts will be cleared with the basic concepts. But guys, one thing you have to make sure that this is a doubt solving hub, not your course hub. You cannot request like, I want complete course on economy, I want complete course on ancient history. No, we are here for solving your small doubts, whatever you face when you are studying. And the time limit, as I've already told, that you will get your response within the 24 hours. I hope you guys are clear what is the purpose of this channel. So all the best guys, waiting for your responses. Thank you.